Welcome to my brand new listing in Hammock Point of Boca Lago in the heart of Boca Raton. I'm really excited about this home. Let me take you inside and show you why. This home has it all. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 updated bathrooms, an office den that could be the 4th bedroom, a formal dining room, and this huge living room that's designed for ultimate entertaining. This kitchen was not only remodeled, it was completely gutted and rebuilt from the floor up, starting with the slate floors, the sleek white cabinets, the double slab granite countertops, induction stove, and stainless steel appliances. This patio is the best of both worlds. Whether you want to dine al fresco, protected by the elements with your screened-in, hard-covered patio, or if you like the outdoor barbecue with an open concept and a trellis roof, you can do that too. Thank you for spending some time with me checking out my new listing today. There's a couple key features I would love to share with you before we wrap up this tour. This is the only home from this point in a 1.5 mile radius that is in this condition for under $600,000. So it's truly a good deal for you and your family. And also the roof is from 2018. If you'd love to see this home, I'll be happy to show it to you. Just give me a call. Today we're in Hammock Point of Boca Lago, sorry. Okay. Street. And this is 2,800 square feet, start over, thing on a 1 street is for you and your family, and that sounds done. With the master bedroom on the ground floor, the 2 other that sounds stupid. As the, what are you gonna say after that? There's a great design, and there's even an optional den / why is it optional? It's not optional, it's there. Now I'm all messed up. You want to dine al fresco?
Al fresco.
Hey!
Yes, this house is the best of both worlds.